Here's Rough Rider Guy. The guy's out on a hike here at the Aschim Homestead and Trails. Oh boy, here we go. Could be bears in here. No hunting or shooting. What are they? How do you know? Rough Rider guy is out here on the trails. Hopefully he doesn't get eaten up by bears before game day.
Sphagnum moss. That's what the natives used to use for diapers.
I think this here was when we went here. This was all those ferns. Which way are we going, Rita? Mossy Glen Loop? This, Rita, this way is Mossy Glen Loop. Oh, here's the trails here, Rita.
Well, that one goes across the torch. This one goes this way.
Here we are. This is what we got to do. Well, that one we got to go across the river. We don't want that one. Well, we don't want to do Mossy Glen.
We want to go right.
Right? Viewing platform. We just don't take Mossy Glen, that's all. We can take the forestry trail.
Look at this one. We want to go there.
Yeah, well, that's this trail there. Well, some of them aren't rose hips, some of them are different.
Those are bumbleberries.
These ones here are bumbleberries. These ones here are bumbleberries. And these ones here are rose hip. A lot of bumbleberries.
Pin cherries, Dad.
Oh, pin cherries? Hang on here. White spruce. This is a white spruce. Release lot. I take down the aspens so the white spruce can live.
We're for seeking this.
Tell me what these are?
Yeah. Squashberry.
Squash berry. We're getting all sorts of bear food in here. There's a bunch more of those. He's eating them. Rod, you can't eat that stuff. You're not a bear, Ryder. You're not a bear.
Find any squirrels yet, Ryan? The wagon trail.
Right here's the trail. Really? All through here. Oh, right here. There's the trail here. Yeah, there's the trail they're talking about. Oh, here's that cabin, Rita. Did you look at the cabin? Look at this stuff growing on top of here. Pretty cool, eh? smokehouse. Pretty neat, eh? It's amazing how cool it stays in here.
Yeah.
Eh? Old stove. Yeah. Pretty cool. I'm glad people don't steal all this stuff, eh? And an old washboard.
What do you want to say?
Whatever.
Great job in preserving the past.
Sure. Even goes upstairs, Rita. A nice loft. No, not much up here really, just the loft.
Oh, another stove.
2 stoves. Here's them building it. Yeah,
There's
that.
a front as well. That's an old couch without the...
Here's the stove to keep you warm.
Yeah.
Keep you warm in your bedroom.
Milk churn. I remember those. There's the wash bucket. This is a trail. This is a trail. Screen door. Smokehouse. Wanna go this way?
I think you just go in and out. Caraganas, you don't see many caraganas around here, eh? It's the first ones I've seen down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, all mudded in.
The trees and chop them and build it and chink it and
Sawed roof.
yeah. Wonder why there's 2 sections.
They had different smoking things.
Oh.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
They didn't farm, did they?
Yeah. Oh yeah, what do you think they did? See, I should have brought my drone and put us over top here. Eh? Look how big this tree is, eh? Wow. Pretty thick tree. Look at the size of that thing. That was a big tree. The creek's running a little bit.
Look at that.
Yeah, hang on. I'm just going to take a picture of this one that hit by lightning. One got blasted by lightning. I need to drink of water. He's thirsty.
Ryder.
Are you thirsty?
Not really.
Pretty lucky dog. Must have been a pretty hard life doing homesteading in this area. They cleaned out part of this area and then they'd use it for haying. But it's all overgrown now. They had fencing up. But bush has reclaimed itself. This part of the forest is just covered in moss. Yeah, the whole thing is moss. Everything in here. This whole area is covered in moss. Did you take a picture of this mushroom? I think it's a chanterelle. Pretty sure. Another one coming here. Yeah, there's a bunch more over here. This moss is just really super soft to walk in. Be good for sleeping on this. Another little mushroom there. Yeah, lots of people pick mushrooms up here. I'm sure that was one of those called chanterelle or chanterelle. Look at here, the squirrels have been working overtime here. Oh yeah, see, here. Squirrels are working overtime. This is just so cool looking. I love where all this moss is here. Looks so cool. Yeah, it's nice. Beautiful. Nice to have a lawn like that. Uh-oh. Trail obstacles. Oh boy. Not sure Dale can get over this. Well, to me the best part of the trail was the house, of course. A lot of interesting things inside there. A lot of cool stuff. I really like this moss. These areas where the moss was, and I like that creek going through. But I guess the best stuff is I like the moss. See, it looks so cool. Plus that big mushroom. Well, if anybody knows what that big mushroom is in the pictures there, let me know. But a lot of ones got blown over in here. Bloody trees are pretty high. They're way up there. Mosquitoes are starting to come out now. They like the shady parts. Yeah, it's actually anybody going by Candle Lake just before it. This heritage trail is just before Candle Lake turn off. It's a second last curve before you turn into Candle Lake, right on the main road. It's definitely worth the stop and look around, that's for sure. Some really massive trees and all lots of different terrain. Really enjoyed it. We had to take a rest at the West Creek resting area here. Running out of water here. It's going to be plus 30 here today. Here we are back at the parking lot. But anybody interested in nature and old homesteads, is a pretty good place to stop. You'd really enjoy it. Back left now? Heard it getting out of the pond.